Find or read reviews that people are talking about Hitgrand Tumbler Heat Press Machine, Tumbler Press for 30, 20, 16, 11 ounces straight Sublimation Blanks Skinny Tumbler. DIY Cup Mug Heat Press Machine for Skinny Tumblers 110 volt. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you choose Hitgrand Tumbler Heat Press Machine. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Our next generation of tumbler presses has arrived. The extra long heating element gives you the ability to easily print any size skinny tumbler, including a 20 or 30 ounces skinny tumbler. The digital control panel with colorful display is simple, and the stable structure makes this machine lightweight and easy to operate. Specifications: voltage 110 volt, power 900 watt, diameter 2.7 to 3 inch, 6.8 to 7.5 centimeter, temperature range 0 to 482 degrees Fahrenheit, time range 0 to 999 second, suggested temperature 392 degrees Fahrenheit, suggested time 200 second, net weight 20.5 pounds, package size 20x14x14 inch, tumbler press mat size 9.8 inch. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.